This is Euclid Book 7, proposition number 31. Here's the diagram. All right. What does this one say? Any composite number is measured by some prime number. Okay. Let A be a composite number. Now, what is a composite number? That means that two numbers multiplied together made this number. Okay. In this case, we have 5 times 2, and of course 5 times 2 equals 10. So 10 is A. A is 10. Okay. I say that A is measured by some prime number. Let a number measure it, and let it be B. Okay. That number is going to be 5. Now, if B is prime, what was enjoined will have been done. Okay. Well, B, of course, being 5, and 5 being a prime number, satisfies the condition. Now, let's just say that A is not 5. Let's say A is not 10. It's actually 18. Now we can continue on with the second part of the proof. But if it is composite, some number will measure it. So we have 18, and let's say that 18, which of course is A, is divided by 9, which is B. Okay, so 9 divides 18. A is 18, B is 9. 9 is a composite number. How do we know that? Because 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. Let a number measure it. What are we measuring? We're measuring B. We're not measuring A anymore, we're measuring B. Let a number measure it, and let it be C. Well, C, of course, is 3, because 3 can measure 9. Okay. Then, since C measures B, and B measures A, which, of course, 3 measures 9, and 9 measures 18, therefore, C also measures A. 3 will measure 18. And if C is prime, which of course 3 is, what was enjoined will have been done. But if C is a composite number, some number will measure it. Thus, if the investigation be continued in this way, some prime number will be found which will measure the number before it, which will also measure A. For if it is not found, an infinite series of numbers will measure the number of A, each which is less than the other, which is impossible in numbers. Therefore, some prime number will be found which will measure the one before it, which will also measure A. Therefore, any composite number is measured by some prime number, which is what we were trying to prove in the first place. And that's the whole proof, people. I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.